Daddy is gonna take care of that baby. You know that, boo-boo? You know Daddy gonna take care of that baby? You know Daddy gonna take care of that baby. Do you know? Do you know? Daddy gonna take care of that baby. Do you know? Do you know? Yeah, you know Daddy gonna take care of that baby. You know Daddy gonna take care of that baby. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Pretty eyes. Say hi. You gonna touch the camera? You gonna touch the camera, baby? Oh, is that baby gonna touch the camera? Is that baby gonna touch the camera? Say hey. Say hey. Hey, Daddy. Say hey, Daddy. Hey. Yeah. Say hey. How you doing? Say how you doing? Say how you doing? Huh? How you doing, baby? How that baby doing? How's my baby doing? You gonna say hello? Say hi. And what you gonna tell him? You gonna say hi? Huh? Yeah. That's what you gonna tell him. You gonna tell him hi, baby? Oh. Daddy's little girl. Yeah. That's her saying hi, y'all. She just saying it in baby language. Hey, baby girl. Hey. Oh, she waved high, y'all. Her waved high. You waving high to nice people. Oh, that's so cute, y'all. Say hi, Pretty Bones. Say hi. Aww, she said hi to you, bro. You understand what Daddy's saying, don't you, boo-boo? That's because you got a connection with your daddy. I love you so much. You know that? Yeah, you know that. Say bye-bye.